Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start with 112 FL Oz can of evaporated milk, 1 cup granulated sugar optional for faster color, and 1 tablespoon unsalted butter for shine. Use 112 FL Oz can of evaporated milk. Secure a heavy-bottomed saucepan and enough water to cover the milk by at least 1 inch in a water bath, or choose open pot method with constant attention. Keep water at a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, to prevent scorching or pressure buildup, and to cook the milk slowly to caramelize lactose and sugar. Begin by pouring the entire 12 FL Oz can into the saucepan and add 1/4 teaspoons salt if you want salted caramel. Pour the entire 12 FL Oz can into the saucepan. Heat over medium until tiny bubbles form at the edge, then lower to medium-low. Stir frequently for the first 30 minutes to distribute heat and prevent skin. Stir frequently for the first 30 minutes. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours, stirring every 10 minutes, until color deepens to honey. Then you will see the caramel darkens to deep amber and thickens to a spreadable consistency as moisture reduces and sugars concentrate. Caramel darkens to deep amber and thickens to a spreadable consistency. When you hit the desired color, remove from heat and whisk for 1 minute to smooth texture and prevent graininess while cooling. Remove from heat and whisk for 1 minute to smooth. Let cool slightly, then transfer to a sealed jar. Store up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator and rewarm gently before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.